Welcome to Buzzy AI V3, the fastest way to turn your ideas into working web and mobile apps with just a prompt. To get started, simply enter a prompt from the Buzzy website or your workspace home screen. Type what you want, like a to-do list app with projects and due dates. Buzzy's AI will instantly get to work, generating a plan for your full app. Screens, layouts, data, logic, all based on your prompt. You may need to confirm that you want to proceed. Behind the scenes, Buzzy breaks your prompt into parts, defining data models, screens, components, and navigation. In minutes, you've got a fully functional MVP you can refine and publish. In the design view, you'll see a preview of your app. You can also view your live app in a browser. It's automatically published as a web app. You can navigate around your app in the preview window, or use the selector at the top to view specific screens. Buzzy AI will work on your most important screens first, so you might run into screens that haven't been built. You can choose to have them built now or go back. Want to make changes? Use the AI chat to edit layouts, change text, or add features using natural language. Prefer hands-on control or more precision in your AI interactions? Switch the preview to edit mode. Close the navigation and chat panels if you need more room. You can click items directly in the preview to select them, or use the tree view to navigate your app's hierarchy. Search, or use the type selector to search for specific components fast. Once you've selected an item, tweak styles, layout, and logic using the manual properties panel. And if you ever want to revert, Buzzy's built-in version control lets you roll back with ease. In the Data tab, manage your app's data tables and fields. Use settings to update app info, attributes, and permissions. Then head to Publish when you're ready to deploy to your own server or app store. No DevOps needed. That's Buzzy AI V3, from idea to live app in minutes. Ready to build your next big thing? Just start with a prompt. From idea to working app, fast.